Hey guys, it's your girlfriend Bella. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another vlog for you guys because 2 weeks ago I introduced you guys to the RYX skin products. My friend Ria and I showed you guys the products that I've been using on my skin for like 45 days. This is the rejuvenating one and I started using this for about a week now and I've seen slight changes. Like my skin strips a little bit over my eye section. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but let me hold my face to the light. Like over my eye has some stripping right now, and it's been like almost 2 weeks, not even 2 full weeks since I started using this product. So it is actually working. It is stripping away all the dead layers of my skin and like giving me a new surface that I can work with my maintenance products. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I actually wash my face. I did went ahead and put my hair up because I do not want it to get wet. So I just put this hairband over my head and I'm just gonna go ahead with the face wash and start washing my face. I'm not wearing makeup right now because I want you guys to see everything that's going on with my face for the past week and a half or so that I have been using this product. So yeah, my skin feels good. I don't want to touch my skin too much, but it does feel nice. Like my skin texture is already improving. That's kind of amazing. I'm just going to continue using these products for 45 days. Today's just an update for you guys. So I'm just going to show you how I wash my face. So let's jump right into it. So this is the face wash, facial wash, and I'm going to use this one to make a foam because I like when I use foam on my face. I don't have to touch my face too much. So I'm going to use, if I just a Daiso or any drugstore here in Japan, it's not that expensive. I think it's less than 200 yen. So yeah, you can get one of these. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit and I'm gonna put some of my face wash on it, maybe just like the size of a 1 yen, not too much at all. And now we're making the foam. All you gotta do is rub it until it creates a foam. You can make as much foam as you want with this. That's what I love about this one here. So I'm using the foam to wash my face. Just put this right here. Alright, I'm gonna rinse with lukewarm water. I went as far as to clean even my neck area. And that was the wash. Now I'm going to dry my face. I do not use towels to dry my face, so I'm going to use paper towels. I use paper towels to dry my face, so next is my paper towels. So I'm going to use paper towel. I do not rub my skin, I just pat it everywhere, just pat, pat, pat. until it's dried. Then I'm gonna go in with the toner because you wanna clean your face nicely. And like these cottons that my friend told me about, look at this. Look at how thin this is. And I'm just gonna use one. This is really, really thin. So I'm using one of this, and I only need 2 squirts of this one to clean my entire face. That's what I'm doing with the toner, just 2 squirts. And then I'm gonna start cleaning my face. It does have a little tingling feeling. Don't think for a minute that your soap is everything you need. You need toner to help clean your face really well. Look at that dirt. It cleans the face really well, guys. And I clean my neck as well. Yeah. This is... So now that we're all super clean, we're gonna go in with step 3 because step 2 is a toner. We're gonna go in with step 3. This is the night one. So yeah, like we mentioned in the previous video, if you haven't watched that one, I'm just gonna leave the link in the description so that you can check it out. When you look at the product, you will see the night, the moon for night, and you will see the moon and the sun night and day. And this one has moon and sun as well. So night and day, night and day, and night. So now we're doing now we're gonna do step 3, which is a serum, and I just squirt it on my face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 parts. And just lightly, gently rub it in, gently. And also down to my neck. Yeah, so that was your update, and I will try to update you guys in another video about 2 or 3 weeks later to show you guys what's happening with my skin. But that's the RYX skin product. I recently started using their rejuvenation kits. So yeah, I'm gonna leave also the link to where you can get this in the description below. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to DM your girl. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and until next time, see you guys. Bye.